What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel again. Today we are at Spotify, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to connect Spotify to other devices or other phones. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So let's say you want to connect your Spotify from one phone to other phone. So is there a way to do it? Well, obviously there is, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So for this one, we are gonna go to Google, and basically I'm gonna show you how to do it. So basically, Spotify allows you to control playback on one device with another through Spotify Connect. This is a built-in feature that helps if you want to use an external speaker or be in sync with your desktop from your phone. You can also host a remote group session to sync playlists with friends. So to use Spotify Connect, you need to log into your Spotify on two devices, play a song on one device and tap the monitor and speaker icon. So obviously I cannot show it to you in this tutorial, but I'm gonna be going step by step with you. So you need to select a second device from the menu, control the other device with your first one by using Spotify as normal. On the mobile, tap the monitor and the speaker icon, tap start a remote group session to begin inviting friends. So as you can see, these are the steps you need to open Spotify on both devices. You can use desktop app on your computer or the mobile app on your iPhone or iPad or Android. So you need to log into Spotify on both devices. Make sure you're using the same Spotify account. Then you need to play something. Obviously, you can use Spotify to find music, playlist, or whatsoever. Then you need to click the monitor and the speaker icon on desktop. This will be at the bottom right corner of the window next to the volume control on the mobile. This will be at the bottom left corner of the play screen, as you can see. So you can select another device. On this network, you will find it. Basically, if you don't see your device, navigate to Home, Settings, Devices, toggle off, show local devices only, and easily control other devices. So basically guys, that's the way you can connect Spotify to other devices. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.